maraming salamat. Wow, that is the photo presentation. Let's please look dito po sa harap para sa official photographer natin. In 3, 2, 1, smile! Alright. Thank you very, very much. We got the thumbs up. Okay na yan. Now, please let me call on the table of Direct Easy for a group photo also with the class. Okay. Let's get a photo. 1, 2, 3. Fresh and fresh. I love it. Wait. Ayan, thank you very, very much. Now we have a photo with our media friend. All media, please join us on stage here for a photo with the cast. This is our last photo, a photo with our media friends. Ayan, thank you very, very much everyone for your patience today. But ito, let's have our last photo. Ayan. Let's look at the front for our official photographer in 3, 2, 1, smile! Maraming salamat. Thank you so much to our media friends. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you. Alright, so this has been the official fan wave and poster. Oh my God, will they do disappear? Maraming salamat everyone. Once again, I'm your host, Shemaya Gomez, and we will see you all in theaters on March 26th. Thank you and good night. Very much. And thank you so much for this table. Let's move on to our next table. And thank you so much for this table. And now let's call on the next table to join us here for our group cast photo. Swerte naman, pwede nyo sabihin na may flowers kayo galing sa cast na may collaborating. Once again, I would like to thank Marcos Music Bar for the venue for tonight's event, and of course, flowerstore.ph for the flowers. Yes, let's call on the next table.
Dapat itong picture mo tayo para may update ka sa akin. Picture mo lang. Picture mo lang sila dalawa. Wala tayong picture na magaganda sa akin. Ay, ano?
Alright, let's look sa harap and smile for the official photographer. Ayan ang pagkita sa harap. And 1. Maraming salamat. Now, it's a from group selfie. Very Gen Z, I love it. Point 5. Now, can I please ask the cast to please sit down again? Yes, as we'll be asking table by table for the cast to come and join for a group photo.
Ay, table to table.
Ready na ba kayo for your group photo?
Yes! Teka lang dyan ang kasama sa akin. Jeng, dito ka rin.
And huwag kayo mag-alala guys, meron po tayong official photographer, so I have to ask na please bawal po mag-selfie
tayo, kasama tayo.
Arvin!
Let's start here with table C.
Arvin!
Sa akyat tayo sa taas. Di akyat. Akyat sa upper table.
Maraming salamat po sa Page for also providing flowers for this event tonight. Alright, let's look at the official photographer here in the front.
Ito.
Standby na po.
Hindi, marami po.
Table 1, standby na po doon.
Nag-aantay na po sila, kaya sa mga magkababayan po, wait lang kayo dahil malapit na po. March 26 na po ang movie ni Kim and Paolo, My Love Will Make You Disappear. Yes, and thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nandito at nakisabay sa amin for our poster reveal. Sa personal, dito sa maraming salamat. Sa online, maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-abang. Basta we're very happy, we're very excited, and we're looking forward na makaabot na tayo ng March 26 para sabay-sabay na natin panoorin ang My Love Will Make You Disappear. Let's spread the word, mga kapamilya po
First of all, nais kong pasalamat sa inyo. Very grateful for everyone who's here to support the movie and to support us. Time and effort here. I appreciate it.
Upo ka na dyan.
Sobrang na-appreciate ko yan. Sobrang nagpapasalamat.
Kasi
And of
nakapagod
course,
na si Ate
maraming
Chan.
salamat. Love ko, rin sa inyo. Yung simula pa lang, di ba nilalabas, gumagawa na kayo ng mga sariling posters, ng mga cards. Thank you for that. Yes, March 26.
Medya.
I'm sure may enjoy nyo.
Yes, thank you very much. So ayan, bago tayo mag-photo op with the fans here, let's first get a group photo of the cast. Ayan, and I also want to take this opportunity to ask you guys to please settle and good music. Maraming salamat, Noctos Music Bar. And in just a moment, we will be joined by the owners and business partners of the Noctos Music Bar for a group photo with the cast of My Love Will Make You Disappear. Yes.
Imagine it. Imagine.